Bro, I'm audible. Yeah, I think I'm audible. So I'm live now. We would be creating a website with ReactJs from which we can visualize our data. Okay, am I live now? I think I'm live, but I want to view my. Why I'm not live? Yo, I'm live now. View my. Why I'm not live? Yo, I'm live now. View my. So I don't think now I'll use my the Python software that I created to I'm sorry. Before that, I have to add the string key. After this, I'll check for if where is the stream key, stream key, stream key. Yeah, video ID, bro, video ID. I think it should work. Yeah, getting chats. Okay, so these chats are from another live. Let's go. If I can type in something. I think now it should come. Yeah, it's coming. Let's go. I'm live now, and now I'll be checking my YouTube audio quality, especially because I was having an earphone and it. Oh, I'm live now, and now I'm checking my. Okay, my earphones are good. My voice is good, not my earphones. My earphones are destroyed by me. I don't know why, because like yesterday only I by mistakenly damaged the earphones. So what we will be doing in this live is we would be creating a data structure visualization website. Now, what's the website about? So I'll tell you in short. I've started working on it. I've created a little bit front end using it. So that website is about, when I was in college, I wanted to visualize, like if we talk about binary tree. So it has two nodes. So I had the data, but I wanted to visualize how actually this binary tree looks. So there's no website for visualizing this. Or if I don't know, I am not aware of any website that from which I can visualize the data. So what I'll do is I'll be creating a website in which we can import, get the data from the user, and we can create, and the user will get a visualization of the data structure that we have. So let's stop talking and let's start doing. Okay, so I'll open a terminal, then open VS Code in it. So here are some code, and I'll just run this code. npm run there. I'm using ReactJs for this. I've completed a little part of it. Tell me if you want my webcam to be turned on. If you want, I'll turn it on. Otherwise, it's better if I keep it off. So this is a simple GUI that I've created of I've named it anything, the wish data. So up till now what I've done is I've completed a single dimension array. So how this will work is the user just have to insert the data comma separated and create, and he'll get a representation of a single dimension array. Okay, and there's also multi-dimensional array. In this thing, I have to think a lot for creating the output, because it's a little 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, it will create a representation of multi-dimensional array with the indices. Okay, So this was simple. This was just the beginning of my website. But I think I'm planning so that my website can visualize a lot of different type of data structures. Okay, like map and all, etc., etc. thing. Let's see now. There's just an option for creating. In future, I will implement a lot of options. Now let's talk about single linked list. I also have it. The user can input their data and the linked list will be created like this. So if user wants to remove this one, it will be removed. If user wants to remove this one, it will be removed. Now, single linked list has been done. So just a second, I want to check if everything is working. Yeah, everything is working. No new chats. What I was trying to do is, yeah. So now let's work on doubly linked list. There is a singly, doubly, and circular. No? So I'll add an option for that. So here is an option for doubly linked list. Now here I will add circular. Okay, I'm using React router for routing all the routing stuff. Okay. So here I get circular linked list, doubly, and singly. So singly has been done. It was easy. I just use an icon. I've used an icon. That's it. Now what I'll do is I'll move on to doubly. But for doubly there is no route. So let's just first define. All the routes are in the app routes. So React have this React router thing, from using which we can do the routings in our front-end application itself. We don't need backend. Okay. So linked list singly. Now I'll create linked list. Doubly. I have to create a component. Doubly. And where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Singly. Yeah. Doubly. And now I have to create a page here. So I'm using Wheat for creating. Let's see if our app is working. So if I move on from singly to doubly, yeah, it's working. So here I got the output. Now what will be inside of this doubly? So how does doubly linked list look like? It look like let's go. So it's just simple. There are 2 pointers for front. Oh, okay, and even yeah, this time kind of null pointer also. There's also null pointer. Double linked list simply means we can traverse in both the directions. If you want to go forward, we can go forward. If you want to, okay. I forgot, like if there exists null pointers like this. Oh, okay. Oh, what to do? What to do? Does doubly linked list have null pointers in the front and in the back? What can I? Well, let me think. If there exists. So if you chat now, I'll get the chat directly in this window, which I've created using Python. So it's helpful. So let me think. Or I can ask ChatGPT rather than using my brain. You know, it's better. Time saving. Does I think I'm able to smell some burning. My God. I hope my laptop is not burning. laptop is fine, man. You know what happened? From where I can smell this burning smoke. And now I'm worried. I got some idea of double linked list. Like this side is the next of the last. Oh, why? Why disconnecting, bro? What happened? Yo, I'm reconnected. Yo, shake. Let's go, buddy. So in this part, like only the next part of the last node is null and the previous part of head node is null. Okay, no worries about it, bro. Let's go. So what I'll do is I'll just copy paste this whole thing in this doubly. I'll just change this to list doubly. I'll get an normal representation. Now for double linked list, what I have to do is the only thing I have to change is where is that icon? This thing. So with this icon, I also need another icon. Let's get it. I'm using React icons. Okay. I'm using it because with using it, I can have right arrow. I need left. We can add icons to our website. So which icon I'm using? I'm using far arrow right long. Far arrow. I think it's this one. So I'll just add this. Where I'm going to add that here. Okay, let's check. Let's check, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, not like this. It's looking weird. And why I'm getting this error, by the way? Okay. It's a warning. I think I have not mentioned the keys somewhere, but it's okay. Now what I have to do is here. I'm using, by the way, I'm using ReactJs and TailwindCSS. Okay. So these classes are available from TailwindCSS. I'm using it to, so that, you know, I don't have to write my vanilla CSS again and again. That's why I'm just using Tailwind. By the way, I have to, you know, oh, nice. I'm not able to resize this window, bro. It's a kind of weird, buddy. It's a kind of weird. From left hand side. Okay, no worries. Let's get back to work. Is my app running? Yo. Okay. What I wanted is, yeah, it's a good representation of double linked list, by the way. I'll just, what I'll do is, I'll watch for this error, watch why it's happening. I'll correct that error by, and I think that kind of error occurs in while rendering some list through map. So I've given a unique key here. Also, I've given you a unique key here. Everything has a unique key for itself. Then why the hell this key also has, this is also unique key. Which key is not unique, bro? Which key is not unique? This is static element. This doesn't need to add a key. And I think this thing also doesn't require. Let's see. Oh, I'm getting that error again. Why? I don't know. And exactly where I'm getting that, line number 49. Here, but why? Why it requires an unique key? It means this child doesn't have a. Oh, is it because of this element? This has a key. This has a key. And which element doesn't have a key, bro? So I just use the div here. Will it cure my error? Will it solve my error? It's not solving. I don't know why it's coming. But rather than solving it, I should just move on because this is just a warning because of React. It's okay. So I'm done with doubly and singly English. So it's simple. It's not that too dangerous logic I've used. It's simple thing. If in future I would be using adding some more feature with which I can insert element as well as delete element from the linked list, and it will be represented like this. So currently I'm just focusing on creating that data structure, which is more important. Oh my god, I'm so bored, from 2 days I haven't gotten enough sleep because I am a stupid person playing Minecraft. Yo! But Minecraft is a good game. Everything is a good, but playing Minecraft. Yo! But Minecraft is a good game. Okay. Let's check if my chat is working. What happened? The chat is not working? What happened? Now it's working. How? Why suddenly it's stopping? Whatever. Let's just not focus on that thing. Let's keep it here. I'll just correct one thing in this because it's printing too much that no chat anything. I'll just correct one thing. Open it with VS Code. What is it printing this thing? So find here something. If it's equal, then don't print anything, buddy. We'll just restart this. Let's rerun this. So now it should not print any stupid things. Okay. Okay, so I have finished this. Now I have to create a circular linked list. It's a good thing. Circular linked list is a little dangerous. How I'm going to represent it? How I'm going to represent the circular linked list? How can I represent it? I can duplicate, like just paste it here. The first node I can just paste it here. because I cannot create an arrow which points like this. It is a little kind of difficult. First of all, I just have some water. Just pardon me for 1 second. Just a second, bro. Yo, let's go. Let's continue without streaming. So, without creating. Okay. The brightness is too much for me. I don't know why. Like my eyes hurt. Oh. Okay. Continue. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for circular linked list, what can I do is I can just copy this and paste it here. That's it. As simple as that. As simple as that. Check. Yo. So that's what I can do. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Have I applied any filters on this? I applied game. Check, 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 check. Yo. Now it's fine. Just copy this and paste it here. But user should not be confused, like same. It's okay. I think it doesn't matter if circular linkage is there or not. I'll work on it later on. Now let's move towards binary tree, which is the most important. Oh, I removed the another out. So I'm done with this. Navbar. Oh, I have to work with navbar. Let's just close this. Yeah. I have to copy this component which I have created, and this name will be binary tree. I'll remove circular linkage from here. Okay. So binary trees, just a simple binary tree, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. It's not a tree data structure. It's a binary tree. So each node should have only binary tree would have only 1 and 2, not more than that. Yeah. Or should I create graph data structure, which is more important than binary tree? Would I will be able to create a graph data structure using a binary? Using ReactJs would I be able to create a graph data structure? It's a no. 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 Like, will I be able to create a graph data structure? Let's go for the graph rather than binary tree. Okay. I'll just remove this. Add your graph. This would be the hardest for me. I think so. I'll just copy paste this. Not direct. Copy and paste it. Paste it here. And rename it to this. I think this would be my final data structure which I would be creating, because I have to work on other projects as well. I just wanted to create a fat and simple project. which I can, upload on the internet. So let's first, I have to create routes for this. So here are the routes. Just add graphs. And I think graph should be working now. I refresh this. I don't need to refresh, but yeah, okay, graph is working. Now, how would I be taking input from the user? So first of all, I will ask for number of edges. No, not number of edges. Number of what we say vertices. Vertices, and then not edges. I don't want number of edges. Then I would be asking for the graph matrix. For example, this is A vertex, B vertex, C vertex. Okay, 1, 2. Directed. Oh, graphs has two types: directed and undirected. So this would be undirected, maybe undirected, or maybe it's okay. This would be an undirected graph, and this would be having 3 edges. Okay, so I will create A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So A doesn't have a edge. It also doesn't have. Yeah. This everything is 1, 1 because there is an edge between B and A. This is the edge, and B and B doesn't have an edge. B and C has an edge. Okay. So I would be asking user for this matrix, and then I would most hope so I would be able to create this kind of graph. Let's see if I will be able to create it. But how can I create it? How can I create it? How would I ask the user? Oh, my body is physically bored. I want to sleep. But it's okay. First, I'll create this. I'll work on this. I'll try to create it. If I create it, well and good. If I don't, no problem, no worries. But I'll give my best. So I would be able to create this circles. No problem in that. But it would be difficult for me to join everything. Oh, it's so difficult, bro. This is so difficult. I don't have any hint in my brain to how I can do it. But with my CSS knowledge, I can use absolute paths, absolute position, absolute relative, and I can create a kind of graphs, but all the graphs will not be similar. For drawing, you need a human. How can I do it? La 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 la. Let me think. I'm thinking. Let me think. How I can create this graph? Let me check if my chat is working. Otherwise, it would be in this graph. Yeah, it's working. How would I be able to create a graph? I think this project is also failed because I'll not be able to create it. But is there any way, or is there any library for React? Oh my god. This is so dangerous. If I can use this, it will make my work more. No. What is this graph? Eclipse TLFP graph. I don't know. I think this website has failed. Here I see no way of creating graphs. And it will look kind of weird if I no. I think this website has gone. It has failed. So no worries, it's okay. Not everything can be created. Yeah, always there's something that you cannot create. So what I have to do, I just have to cut this and paste it in project failed. This project hasn't passed, but it's okay. I've just kept it as. Now what to do? Now we will be working on another project, which is what to create now. What should I do now? What should I do now? Now, let's practice Spanish rather than wasting our time. Oh no, double English. Oh my god. BUO. Congrats, Pooja Chauhan. Let's continue. La secretaria escribí un mensaje importante. Mensaje.
¿Tú tienes un escritorio en tu oficina?
Tú tienes un escritorio en tu oficina. Do you have a desk in your office? Julia, estoy muy ocupado. Necesito mucho en la computadora. Adiós. Escribir.
Yo no escribo muy bien.
Yo
no escribo muy bien.
escribo.
Yo no escribo muy bien.
Escribo.
Rafael no trabaja aquí.
Rafael no trabaja aquí. La jefe de la oficina trabaja mucho y tiene 2 secretarias. Yo tengo una secretaria, ella trabaja en la oficina de París. The bosses. Las jefas. Las jefas. Los or los? When do we use los? I'll ask ChatGPT rather than, Oh, sorry for the spelling mistake. Is used with plural masculine noun. For example, los libros, the book. So I think bosses will be los.
Los jefes.
Nice.
Yo escribo un mensaje importante.
Escribe un mensaje.
Yo escribo un mensaje importante.
El
jefe
tiene dos
Dos.
secretarias.
Secretaria.
Tú escribes en la... tú escribís con un bolígrafo o en la computadora. Currently I'm escribing in... currently I'm writing in my laptop.
Yo trabajo aquí.
Aquí, AQUI.
Camila trabaja mucho. Camila trabaja mucho. Camila trabaja mucho.
Damila, what's the name?
Camila trabaja mucho. Camila trabaja mucho. Camila trabaja, Camila trabaja, Camila trabaja, Camila trabaja, Camila trabaja mucho.
Damila, it's a weird name. Camelia. Yo tengo
Secretario.
el
Mensaje.
de la jefa. Tú tienes los mensajes de la secretaria. The boss. Now it's an feminine. La jefa. I'm in the demotion zone. Soon I will be back to the previous league.
Negocio.
Negocio, business,
Mascota.
pet,
Ahora.
ahora, now,
Trabajo.
trabajo, job.
La secretaria trabaja.
La secretaria trabaja poco los viernes. The secretaries work less.
Poco. Viernes.
Less, poco matlab
Poco.
means little. Okay, little.
Poco.
La secretaria trabaja poco los
Los.
in the
Viernes.
Friday. Okay.
Carta.
VK, hi buddy. Hi VK buddy, hello.
Carta. Carta.
Bonito. Bonito.
Carta. Madre.
¿Cuál? 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 ¿Cuál?
Carta. Carta. Carta.
¿Cuál?
Carta.
So VK bro,
Yo
I
quiero
was
tener un jefe
creating an
simpático.
website in which I can visualize some data structures using ReactJs, but I failed because I was not able to create, I'm not able to find a way to create graphs using ReactJs. So that's why I'm learning Spanish. I'm just completing these lessons. After that, let's see what I can do. If you have any doubt related to coding or want like some information from me, I can give it. Okay. Yo quiero tener un jefe simpático. ¿Quién quiere escribir la carta para el jefe?
Alberto
Les en la oficina. Les reads in the office.
Yo tengo un problema con la secretaria.
Este
negocio
es
muy
muy
interesante.
interesante.
Este mensaje es para la jefa.
Tú lees, Julio.
Lees.
No, it's the other way
Leo.
around.
Lees.
Because when we use yo, we use Leo. Leo is my name, by the way.
cartas ahora.
AHORA. AHORA, ok. Juan necesita leer las cartas
Cartas.
de su jefe. What do you think? After this chapter gets over, I think I should create something with Python visualization. What do you say? Or I should create and something with Java or something. No, what I'll do is I'll just create something with Node.js and React.js and management system or something. Okay. So don't go anywhere. If anyone was watching, we'll be creating a good project using React, using Node.js first of all, and then we'll first create backend with Node.js, and then afterwards I will be creating frontend with ReactJS. Okay, cool. El escritorio
Escrito es
nuevo.
nuevo.
Not el,
El
esta.
es
Este,
nuevo.
este escritorio.
El es nuevo.
Escritorio. So, yo leo un libro en la... So, y yo leo.
Lee.
The boss, el jefe,
Jefe
tiene una oficina nueva.
tiene una nueva oficina.
Tiene una oficina nueva.
Nueva.
Yo leo las cartas ahora.
Ahora. Okay, I'm about to complete that chapter. It's okay. Now the main point, what we will be creating using Node and React. Node and e-commerce website. What do you say? Should I create an e-commerce? E-commerce website. This is a good project for my portfolio, isn't it? Is there anyone? Hello, hello. I think I'm alone. Hello, hello. Okay, I think I should create an e-commerce website. Okay, great. Now how we are going to do it from scratch. Let me think of it. So first I'll create a project. No project. So what I'll do is, this is so exciting, you know, when we start working on new projects, we are so excited. Okay. So what does an e-commerce means? There would be different people, different user. First type of user would be, he would be able to create, let me type. First type of user is a seller. Okay. Yeah. So first type of user is a seller. Now what he will be doing? He would be able to create an account. What the hell, yaar? Chota ho jab. Become a little less. Okay, it's okay. I'll just add it here. Okay, bro. If you want, I can teach you. Just tell me what you want to learn. Just tell me like what you want to learn. Like if I am able to teach it, then well and good. If not, I'm so sorry. Just tell me what you want to learn. What basics you want to learn. So a seller can sell. He can have an account from which he can log in and sign up. Basic things. Okay. Okay. You want to learn programming basics, but tell me about yourself, like your college, your course, and what are you, no, don't tell me your goals, because goal changes as we progress in our life. Tell me your college course, and some, if you know some programming language, you can tell me that also. It will help me so that I can match your things. Okay, just tell me your programming, anything that you know and about yourself. I was planning to, share a Discord link in the chats when I'm taking live, so that people who are joining can join the Discord channel. But yesterday only I've messed up with my headphones, and I don't have earphones now. I just have a mic, a collar mic, which I've plugged in. Just tell me about yourself, and I'll just go and have some water. Sorry for the break. We'll be back soon. Okay, I'm back. Let's see what. See, I don't know anything about coding, but want to learn C programming. Okay, so I can help you with that, because the course which I did, like computer science, in that there was C programming, so I can teach you C programming. So first of all, you tell me, how would you rate yourself between 1 to 10? How much interest do you have in coding? So according to that, I'll teach you. Tell me if you have a laptop or not. It would be better if you can connect to me with through audio, but I'm so sorry because I don't have that features, because I'm a poor person, so not poor, unemployed. I don't like to ask mom dad for money. Tell me, do you have a laptop, and rate yourself between 1 to 10 in how much interest do you have in coding, and tell me, do you have a laptop or not? So I can tell you like how to install the compilers and all. If you can tell me about your. Okay. There's also a delay in this stream. Okay. And do you have a laptop? Yes, Let's have a lap. Okay. Sorry, bro. I had gone for some reason. No, bro. Like, I had gone for some reason. I'm so sorry for that. Okay. So you have a laptop. So do you want me to teach you how to install the compiler, or should we do a Google Meet? So no, not possible because I have to share multiple platforms. You tell me, should I tell you about how to install the compiler in your laptop? Like, it will tell you how to install. Then after installing the compiler, you will be able to compile the code. Yes. Okay. See, I'll tell you a roadmap. Okay. You want me to teach you C programming language and basics. Okay. I will say that I will be teaching you basics because there are a lot of AI to learn, but I'll teach you basics. Okay. First of all, we will see like how to install the compiler, which is important because you write code like this, like in any file you write the code, you have this code, then you compile it, then you get some output file. This is an output file, and then you run this file on different platforms. Okay, so that's why compiler is really important. So how to install compiler? For C, for compiling C program on Windows, you can use MinGW, MINGW, this one. Okay, you have to use this compiler. So you just visit this website, download, click on download. I'll show you, I'll paste this link in the chat. It will be easy for you. So you'll get an setup.exe file. I'll just give you here. Tell me about yourself, like which course are you doing and in which college? Okay. So this is the link for the compiler. You'll get an exe file like this. Okay, it's my chat. Okay. You'll get an exe file, you just have to open it and install, continue. So what I'll do is I'll just reinstall because I want to show you, bro. That's why I'm reinstalling. Okay, you will get an option for installing. I'm just reinstalling it. Oh, you're non-CS branch. Okay, then you're at the right place, buddy. I'll show you everything you want to know about coding. Okay. So after installing it, you will get a window like this, and in this what you want to do is you have to click this MinGW32 base, this one, and then MinGW32 GCC plus G++, so you'll be able to compile C++ code also, and then MinGW GCC. Okay. Like this, you have to mark for installation. Okay. After clicking it, you just have to installation, update catalogs, then you will get this. And you will be able to install it. Okay, it will take some time for the first time. Okay, then you would get an MinGW installed on your system. Now, what next? Next thing, you have to go to this PC, and here on your C drive, you will get a folder like MinGW. You just have to double click it, open the bin folder, this one, copy, like click on the address bar, copy the path, and then you have to open ADVN, Advanced System Settings, view and edit Advanced System Settings. In this, you have to set the environment variable. Where to set it? Here, edit. You just have to click the path and click on edit. After this, what you have to do is you have to paste it, new, and then paste it. Okay, I've already pasted it here, and then OK, and OK, and OK. That's it, and you have MinGW installed on your system. So this is the process. You just mark this video, the timings which I have, and you can afterwards install it. if you want to. So, and then how to check if we have, then type CMD. Okay, just press this and type CMD. Open it, and now you can type GCC. And if you get this kind of output, it means that you have successfully installed compiler. Okay, then it also provides G++. So with this you can compile C code, with this you can compile C++ code. Now what next? Next I would tell you what's the difference between C and C++. Okay, so listen to me, okay, carefully. So this C isn't like a programming language which is the base, like it has some functionality which you can use, and it is also a great language to learn. You can see it is used everywhere in embedded system, a lot of places we use C. Okay, now where you will be using C, you can program some CMD. Okay, CMD stuff for you are a non-CS branch now. It's okay, like you can code it. Then you have another uses. You can create a simple programs on CMDs, like to copy a file from one place to another and understand some data structures, etc. things. And if we talk about another use case, which is an embedded system. Embedded system, which means you can create, you can code on machine level, like Arduino or etc. things. You can code them with using C. So C is really useful. Not Arduino, but C is useful. Embedded system like microchips. Chips are also programmed using C. Okay. I'll share you one of the important things that I have the knowledge of is C. Here it is a machine. It understands only ones and zero. 1 and 0. Now, to simplify this, human created another thing, another layer from which we can code. That is assembly. Don't mind my spellings. Oh, don't mind my spelling, but it created assembly language. So assembly, whatever the spelling is. So assembly is a layer on ones and zeros. Then C is a layer on assembly. You should just know what C is. So to simplify human understanding, we create programming language. Now to simplify C, we have Java. Like not exactly, but we have a lot of different things. We have Java. Above C, okay, we have Python. We have C++. These languages have some extra functions, features in it. Above C. Okay. Then above this language we have Kotlin, which has more features. Okay. So Java is object oriented. So this is a kind of understanding of how the programming works. And for web development we have HTML. It's not a programming language, it is a markup language to mark, but it is an important thing. Then CSS, then JavaScript. Okay, this three works on the web, on the front end. Now, on this layer, above it, we use different libraries for it. For example, Bootstrap. This is for web development. And JavaScript, we use React. Then we have Node.js. Okay, there's so many things to learn. So you want to learn about C now. But tell me, up till what I told you, were you able to understand something out of it? Oh, you're gone. I was talking to about them. Oh, you're gone. I was talking to about them. Are you there? Hello. Oh,
You're gone.
Okay, I have to.
Most of it you got stuff.
Are you there? Hello.
Oh, you're gone.
Okay. Okay. You are there, buddy. I'm so sorry. I think my app got crashed. Why? I don't know. Okay, buddy. Okay. Now just tell me what I was asking you. Up till now, whatever I told you, got something like a small idea of what this field is about, and then a dangerous creature came, which is AI. So just tell me, do you understand what I just told about these things? And tell me, should I begin with some simple things in C programming? And the most important part is, like, I will teach you, I'll solve your doubts, but there are a lot of people on YouTube which can teach better than me. Okay, it would not be live, but you watching their video, you will be able to learn a lot. And what's my role in this? Whenever you get a doubt, some doubt that you are not able to solve by yourself, or by AI, ChatGPT, or any other thing, you can comment, or you can join my live and ask your doubts there, and I can solve your doubts. Just tell me, should I give you a roadmap now, how to learn? What I'll do is I'll give you some basic of programming. Then I'll give you a roadmap. And then first of all, why this app is crafted? Got 2 views. Okay, so I'll do this basics, then a roadmap, and then nothing, then doubt. Okay, so now I'll tell you about some basics in C. So now you have the compiler. Yeah, bro. For C language, I'll give you a roadmap that will be the best. You just have to follow. You just have to do hard work, and you will get it. Like, yeah. So now you have the compiler. I told you how to install the compiler. Now you just have to create a new file, new text document. Before creating a new text document, what you have to do is you have to change the view, then show view, and then file name extension. Enabling it, you will be able to see the .txt, etc. extensions. So it's important thing. Then I'll just create a new file, give name whatever you want, and the extension should be C. This is how create a human readable file. Okay, this was really simple. And then to write codes, you have multiple options. You can use VS Code, which is one of the best editors, or you can simply use a notepad, which is the worst one, or you can use Notepad++, anything. Just go on YouTube, and or should I tell you how to install VS Code? You just have to go on this and type VS Code, then VS Code, and then download. Okay, you will be able to download, and you will be able to use it. Okay, it's simple. Okay, let's go. Then where was I? Yeah. After creating this file, you just have to right click and open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, you will get a window like this. Now you just open view, terminal. You just open a terminal. You want to try it now, or you will try it later on? You want to try it now or later? Then how much delay? It's 8 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, great. So what you have to do is just view and then terminal. You have to click on this. You will get a terminal like this. Okay, you get the C file, you get this. After getting this view, you just have to start writing your code. So let's begin with the code. So first of all, any programming language has this kind of structure. The first structure is to include some libraries. Include some libraries, some modules. Which means, now what this first part means is to take the code which others have written and use it in our file, in this file. Okay, I know that this is like something new things. You just have to accept what I'm telling you. Okay, so the first line in C #include, and whatever file name you want, you can paste it here. For example, this thing. This is an library which you can use for input and output stuff. I'll increase the font size. For input and output. And what is this input and output? Input output means whenever I run the program, I get an output here. So let's just I will just write the code, and you will be able to understand. Now what is this? This is just, first of all, now what I'll do is I'll tell you something. Okay, you just have to remember this, memorize this. See, how we learn coding is, first we get some new concept, then we memorize it, then we find logic in it, and then we understand it. Okay, so this is a kind of learning path of coding. First we get some new concept, we memorize it, then we use it and find logic in it, like how it is happening, why it is this int, and why is this, what is this crazy thing. So you just have to remember this. And how to run this file now? Okay, so this was a little dangerous because we now, okay, so you don't have to do this. Now you have the code editor here. I'll tell you something, because if you go the other way around, it's a little difficult. So what you have to do is just press, click here and then type cmd here, okay, and press enter. So you'll get the terminal. Now you can compile and run the code here. Rather than running on VS Code, you can run it here. Okay, so how to do it? Just gcc new.c, enter. Now the code has been compiled and you'll get an exe file. Now what to do? How to run it? To run it, you just have, my God, why am I using so many? This is for my chat. Okay. So now how to run it? You just have to type A, enter, and here you got an output. Okay. So this was a simple C program to print hello. Okay. I'll do it once again. Just type A and enter. So you can write anything. For example, VK. Here, VK. Just compile it again, gcc new.c, and run it. So here's the output. Okay, this was a simple code. Now we can print multiple times. For example, this. Just compile it and run it. VK Leo. Okay. Now I'll tell you a shortcut. gcc new.c, just put this 2 ampersand and then A. What this will do, in one line only, it will compile and run your code. So it saves a lot of time. Like this. Now let's move back to the concept of C. Now I'll tell you, you know this thing, you know this entry point. Main function is the entry point of any C file. So whenever we compile it, our control goes here. We start our code, start writing our code here, and then we finish it. Okay. So now let's talk about something as variable. No, let's just talk about printing a number. So in C, if you want to print a message. You just do hello like this. Okay. Now what if I want to print a number? I can put a number in this 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, but this thing is a string. This is not a number. Like, okay, I'll tell you one thing. If we can, no, we'll talk about variables. Okay, my current situation is like from where to begin to teach you. Okay, like there are so many concepts. From where I should teach you. So let's just talk about variables. So variables are like a box, empty box. Okay, some boxes in which we can store different kind of things. For example, in your house there are n number of boxes for dal, chawal, sugar, or anything. So what you do when you every month when you buy something, for example sugar, you just buy it, keep it here. This box is specially for sugar, and this is for rice, and this is for dal. Okay, so there exist different types of materials. For example, if we buy sugar, we will store it in here. If you buy rice, then it will be stored here, and if we buy dal, we will store it here. So to store different type of things, we use variables. So I can tell that this is a variable. So in C, how to do it? For example, if I talk about int, there are multiple data types in C. Like, you have to remember this. Now in real life, these are the data types: sugar, rice, and dal. These are the data types. In programming, there are different type of data types like integer, then string, then char, then float, then double, then boolean. I think why this program is crashing, bro? It's not working now. I don't know. There's some issue with this. I cannot. It's working for some time and it's not working now. Okay, bro, I think you have gone. You are not watching anymore. So what I'll do is I'll just, in this live, I'll show you a roadmap on how to actually learn. Okay. Just go on YouTube and search for any tutorial, pick any tutorial from here. Just pick up any tutorial, watch it, and just code. And you will, if you are interested more, then you will be able to understand it and you can code. Okay, just watch it and you will be able to code. Yeah, I don't know. There's no delay, bro. Like sometimes it's just it just stops working. I'm using threads for this. I think the threads are just because of that thread. Sometimes it's just it just stops working. I know there's a delay, but see, suddenly it stopped working. Now it will work. Now it's working. Suddenly it gets, I don't know what happened. Whatever, just pick any of the tutorial you want for C programming. Okay, just watch it, learn from it, and if you get any doubt, okay, if you get any doubt, you can just comment or join my live sessions. and I'll solve your doubt here. Like if you don't understand anything, variables, functions, so you can join this live, or you can just comment on any of my video about this topic, and I'll just take a live, or I'll create a video on that particular topic that you have doubt on. So this for C programming language, this is enough. Okay. If I talk about myself, I was able to code in C in like 1-2 months only. I took 1-2 months for C, basic C and advanced C, which has pointers and a lot of things. So it's simple. Just watch and code. Okay. Okay. What I'll suggest is you watch this one. This is a good startup. They will speak in Hindi and it's good. Okay. For C, it's enough. For C language, it's easy. And if you have any doubt, just comment. Just go join my live or comment and on any other video, and I'll solve your doubts. I'll try my best to solve your doubts. Okay, welcome. So I think I should end this live session here. I think I should end. Okay, bro. Bye bye. Have a nice day. I'll close this live session now. And by the way, the tutorials, the videos that I have suggested, like they will teach you in depth better than me. But the only thing they are missing is they cannot solve your doubt live one-to-one. But I can solve your doubt one-to-one because I can do it. So that's why if you have any doubt, you can just ask me and I'll solve it for you. I'll teach you that thing. So I told you how to run the course. I think I should go have some food and have a sleep. VK bro, just tell me bye bye so that I know that. Okay. Yo, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, VK bro. Bye bye. Have a nice day.